Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI. Do you want to know the secret to getting your kids to wear safety equipment? Well, make sure it's something that they think is absolutely awesome, like this helmet from Raskullz. My son is obsessed with this helmet because not only is it his favorite color, red, but it has a Mohawk that lights up. He absolutely loves this helmet, which makes it easy for him to remember to wear when he's out riding his scooter, and I love it because I know that his head is protected. This helmet is nice and secure on his head and is able to be adjusted at the chin strap if we need to make sure it gets just the right fit. This is not only an awesome safety accessory, but let me tell you, the fact that it lights up gives me like 1,000 cool points as a mom. It's also really comfortable on his head as well. It does have different vent holes, so it gives him a little bit of air circulation so that his head doesn't get overheated when he's using it, which really makes sure that he keeps it on his head longer too. So if you need a few extra cool points from your little one, then get them this awesome Raskullz helmet. And that's just my point of view.